Welcome to Planscape Rendering, where outdoor dreams take shape through design and visualization. We specialize in turning ideas into immersive visual experiences through expert landscape design and cutting-edge rendering. Let's get started with today's video.
This backyard had plenty of space but no purpose. Our mission? To transform it into a private luxury retreat. We started with the client's wish list, a place for sports, relaxation, entertainment, and family time. Using advanced 3D rendering, we brought their dream backyard to life before construction even began. A full-size tennis court for year-round play. A custom-designed pool with spa area and sun loungers. A shaded pavilion for dining, an outdoor lounge for entertaining, and a cozy fire pit for late-night conversations. A sleek pool house with space for guests and relaxation. Imagine walking out your back door, starting the day with a tennis match, taking a refreshing dip in the pool, hosting family dinners in your outdoor pavilion. This is more than a backyard, it's a lifestyle. What was once an empty field is now a fully realized backyard oasis, designed with precision, creativity, and purpose.
Thanks for watching and stepping into the world of Planscape Rendering, where outdoor visions become vivid reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And for more stunning landscape designs and renderings, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.